Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all to my EVS class. Today, we are going to write question number 4 from the chapter Birds. So, very first thing, write today's date. Today is 15/7/2023. The question number is 4. Read and write along with me, children. Why is the tailor bird named so? Question mark. How does it make its nest? Question mark. The answer to this question is the tailor bird uses its beak as a needle to sew leaves with material like wool and thread. Full stop. Hence, the bird is called as tailor bird. Let's repeat it once, children. Why is the tailor bird named so? How does it make its nest? The answer is the tailor bird. Repeat after me, children. The tailor bird uses its beak as a needle to sew leaves with material like wool and thread. Hence, the bird is called as tailor bird. What do a tailor do, children? It stitches our clothes. In a similar way, this bird is sewing leaves with the help of wool and thread to make its nest. So, It is named as tailor bird. Okay, so hereby we complete this answer. This was all for today, children. Thank you.